Your next car could be the 2021 Jeep Compass. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.